Alright guys, just so you can see what I'll be installing here is the RS race exhaust from Greddy, and there's I don't know, that's a box number, but it's shipped with a silencer, which I will probably do another video with that installed and without, just so you guys will have a comparison. One thing I do have to say is with the dual catback currently on my car, there is quite a bit of drone between the 3,000 to 4,000 RPM range. Hoping that installing this will actually maybe have less drone. Yeah, ideally trying to find a system that has no drone. Been doing a lot of research. Everywhere in that kind of comment says that there is all drone, even though they're advertised as without drone. So, yep. Get this guy opened up. Alright guys, so I got her unboxed. A little disappointed. I've seen some other unboxing videos, and there's came with a license plate frame, stickers, instruction manual. But on the race model, nope, none of that. Empty box. And I just got this. Get the exhaust. No manuals. You just got some gaskets and the bolts. So package is decent. I wish there was more foam around the box, but yeah. And the silencer, this is there. So car just been cooling down. I'll go ahead and take that out and get this guy installed.